Hi guys, this is a short tutorial what explains you how to install the Chrome extension and how you can use it. So, of course, you already have been to the website, you ordered the product, you got a completement, successfully completed web page, together with your email, with your personal credentials. There's a link in it to go to the backend and your username and your password. Your username is your email address. So you can access it always by logging in or just go to my.dyslexiefont. Sorry, I was still logged in. So basically you add your username, as I said, and password, sign in, and you will see on the left end, left bar, sorry, you see the Chrome extension as an option. Click on it. And there you will see go to the Chrome store. Open it in a new tab and just add it to the Chrome browser. You can find it in the Chrome web store though. It's doing that, and yes, there it is. Dyslexiefont has been added to Chrome. You go back to your page of the My Environment, and there you will find a license number and a user ID. So just make sure you type in your license number manually. Oh, that's something else. Type in your license code ID manually, because if I do this, it's no longer there. So that's just a little box, we're working on it, but for now, just to copy paste, and here you can do the number manually. Hoppakee days, activate it. There it is. And for example, well, the extension already is activated now. You can see that as well if I browse on Google, that it's all working. So let's just see some news on BBC. And there are some options in it. You can change the color of the font by just selecting it. We always like the blue, dark blue one the most. You can as well select the font type, which is the smaller A or Q, which is for children below a certain age, like 7 roughly. And you can change the background color. But here is a little thing that's not always the way how you want it. And go back to the original way is pretty hard. So that's something we're working on as well. It will be getting better, but well, you can create larger font size as well if you have some reading disabilities, or you have, and you can basically create larger spaces for the letters, and it's saving this this. If you're done, don't log out, because you have to fill in all the details we just did by just pressing on off, and you will go back to the normal state, or turn it on, and there it is. So yeah, so that's basically how it works. Hope it was useful, and hope to see you next time. Bye.